boys and girls, it's me, Eugene Finkelberg. As you can hear, I have the hiccups. And according to a remedy that I heard about, you're supposed to stand on your head and hold your breath. But I don't think I can do that. I have tried everything. I have tried, can you see standing on my head? I tried drinking water. I tried everything! But you know, boys and girls, hiccups are something that you just can't control. Just like people. Yeah, just like people. You can't control what they say, what they do. And sometimes they're mean to you. They pick on you, say bad things to you, and they even bully you. It can be horrible. But you know what the Bible says we're supposed to do? According to 1 Peter, it says this: do not do wrong to a person to pay him back for doing wrong to you. Or do not insult someone to pay him back for insulting you. But ask God to bless that person. Do this because you yourselves were called to receive a blessing. And that's found in 1 Peter 3:9. You see, boys and girls, God doesn't want you to pay back an evil with another evil. He doesn't want you to get them back. God doesn't want you to get them back and do something evil to them. No. He wants you to be nice, be kind. That's what that Bible verse is saying. So boys and girls, it's important to remember that. You may not be able to control your hiccups, but you can definitely control your actions. So, with that being said,